Track changes editing, before-after research notes, fast guide. Welcome! In this fast micro lesson, you'll learn how to turn rough, messy notes into clear, concise points that your future self and your team will actually trust. We'll use track changes to show a simple before versus after so you can see exactly what improved. Our North Star is clarity, brevity, and evidence. Say less, but say it better, and back it up. These techniques work across lab notebooks, field reports, and literature review notes. By the end, you'll have a repeatable editing workflow that makes your notes easier to read, reuse, and cite with confidence. Why bother with track changes? It shows exactly what changed and why, making your edits transparent, teachable, and easy to discuss. It supercharges collaboration and feedback. Teammates can react to specific words, numbers, or claims. You also get an audit trail for revisions, which is invaluable for compliance, publications, and memory. Finally, it speeds up proofreading and approval, because reviewers scan the red lines, not the whole document. Bonus: seeing your own patterns, wordiness, hedging, or vague verbs helps you edit faster next time. Unedited notes often suffer from rambling sentences and filler words that hide the signal. Claims are vague, seems higher, with no data or source. Tenses get mixed, past, present, future, making timelines unclear and terminology shifts. Assay, test, run, confusing readers. You'll also see duplicate ideas scattered across paragraphs and a messy structure that buries key details. These issues waste reviewer time and undermine credibility. The fix is systematic. Tighten language, anchor claims and evidence, align tense and terms, and organize for skim-friendly reading. Use a three-step pass. Cut, clarify, confirm. Cut, remove redundancy, filler, and weak hedging like somewhat, kind of, or may possibly. Clarify, define terms once. Prefer precise verbs like measured, compared, validated, over vague ones like did or looked at. Confirm, add numbers, units, and citations so claims are testable. Standardize, lock tense, e.g., past for methods, present for conclusions, and terminology. Choose one term and stick to it. This simple loop turns fuzzy notes into concise, defensible statements. Before. The samples were kind of prepared like yesterday, and then put somewhere cool for a bit before measuring. That's long, passive, and unclear. Action. Switch to numbered, active voice, and add exact quantities, time, and conditions. After. 1. We aliquoted 500 microliters of plasma into 2 milliliters tubes. 2. We added 50 microliters of reagent A, Vortex 10S3. We incubated at 4 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. 4. We measured absorbance at 450 nanometers using Instrument X. Result: a reproducible, skimmable procedure that any colleague could follow, and reviewers can audit without questions. Before, Group A looked much better than Group B, with a strong increase overall. That's vague and subjective. Action. Replace adjectives with data and visual references, and add statistics, units, and sample size. After, Group A mean equals 42.1 milligrams per deciliter, N equals 18, versus Group B equals 31.4 milligrams per deciliter, N equals 17. Difference equals 10.7 milligrams per deciliter, 95% CI, 6.2, 15.1. P equals 0.001. See Figure 2. Result. Objective, comparable statements that travel well across reports and make decisions faster. No guessing, just evidence. Use comments strategically. Ask for missing info. Please add incubation temperature and duration. Tag teammates for domain checks. At Maya, confirm units, milligram per deciliter, or mmol. When you make big cuts, explain why to build trust. Removed duplicate paragraph. Content moved to methods, step 3. Finally, resolve and archive decisions so the thread tells a clear story of what changed. Good comments reduce back and forth, protect context, and turn revisions into a living record of reasoning. Quick checklist. 1 idea per sentence. Keep sentences short and purposeful. Put evidence first, then interpretation, data before opinion. Keep track changes on and make specific comments that request exact items. Standardize tense and terms across the doc. Save versions with dates. After review, accept changes to lock a clean copy. Next step. Pick one old note, run cut, clarify, confirm, and share the redlined version for feedback. Improvement is fastest when your edits are visible.